Yo guys, and today I wanted to show you my $7,000 YouTube setup. So let's get right into it.
I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mama. I'ma turn these zeros into tens and commas.
My YouTube setup, it's a pretty expensive setup, especially for doing YouTube videos and Instagram posts. So like that, I edit my videos on there, work on here, edit like my photos and everything. Everything you imagine about social media, I do on this piece of machinery. So I wanted to start off with one of the cameras I'm using. This is a Canon 70D with a Sigma 18 to 35 lens on it. And this camera, it's pretty great workhorse for me because the lens that you're seeing right now has great bokeh and it's wide angle to like standard, which is 35 on APS-C centers and 50 millimeters on full frame. Of course, I know a lot about cameras, and this is pretty much my go-to camera for YouTube. I'm thinking about upgrading Sony because it's better as a video camera, but yeah, this just works great for me. And also the Rode Video Mic Go, because I don't need any batteries for this thing and anything like that. Then alongside with this, I'm using the Focusrite Scarlett Studio setup. So it's a microphone, the audio interface, which you can see right there, and everything just connects to my PC, and I record everything on my computer. And so far, the setup, the microphone, the whole studio pack was $200. So that's a great investment because the microphone, it's an XLR microphone and it has a super duper great quality, great crisp sound and everything. And the thing I'm recording everything on right now, it's the DJI Osmo, and it's a great piece of equipment. I'm actually going to show you how it looks through my other camera. So guys, this is me vlogging on the DJI Osmo. I'm kind of like, I'm kind of like looking at both sides. That camera has greater quality, but this one can shoot 4K, which is great as well. And yeah, I kind of have a dual monitor setup. I still haven't set up my old MacBook, the 2013 MacBook. This costs around $1,000. This PC costs around $1,000 as well. And yeah, for the keyboard, I'm using a Patriot Viper keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard. I really love those, the feel of them and everything. So that's about like $100. Yeah, for the insides, I have an Intel 6600K, the GTX 1060, and a couple of like 16 gigs of RAM, stuff like that, all the usual stuff. Yeah, by the way, with the Scarlett Studio setup, the headphones came as well. I have my other headphones which broke. These are the Sony, the extra bass ones. I can't remember the name exactly, but yeah, the cable management, as you can see, is god awful. But I'm cool with that. I want to kind of get it better, but it isn't as horrible. And yeah, also a thing I have is a whiteboard just to write down everything I need to do. Yeah, that's a drawing of my little sisters, and that's pretty much it for my setup. And yeah, guys, as I said in the start, this is not a setup you need if you're starting YouTube. It's just a great setup. Like for me, I enjoy it. I like doing like overkill stuff. I mean, my stuff comparing to a lot of other people, it's definitely not overkill, but it's still a pretty expensive setup to make YouTube videos on and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, if you want to see more videos on how to grow your YouTube channel and stuff like that, please subscribe and leave a like on this video and comment down below. What else would you want to see on the next video? And yeah, guys, so as you guys see, I really take the quality seriously of YouTube videos and everything. So that's why I have this type of setup. And yeah, so I'm thinking of actually editing this video. Oh yeah, I didn't mention where I edit on. So I edit my videos on Premiere Pro. And I edit my photos on Adobe Photoshop. I don't really use Lightroom because everything you can do in Lightroom you can do in Photoshop as well, but Photoshop is just a greater tool. I also create my thumbnails in Photoshop and everything. So yeah, I'm pretty much wrapped up with the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna peace out and actually edit this piece on this monster. Yeah.